Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello, it's me Lashon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was finna clean the stove. I'm in here, but then I realized I still had some more watermelon, so we'll just go ahead and eat that before we clean the stove. Actually, just stalling, that's all. But it's only a couple slices anyway. Watermelon is always a good thing. The thing is, you have to, don't let it stay in the trash too long. Get flies. And I think they call them fruit flies. So what I do is when I'm finished with it and it's trash, I get, the grocery bag, tie it up, and then I double bag it and put it in the trash until I can take the trash out later. So, I need stuff from the grocery. My fridge is empty. It's been in there about a week. With watermelon, shouldn't be too firm, but firm. When it starts to get soft, it's not gonna last long. Okay, that's enough of that. Because if I don't, I'm not gonna clean the stove. I went to boil water yesterday, right here, and I was like I smell something. I don't know what fell in on here, but it needs to be clean. So that's what I'm finna do. Let's tie this up. And drop it in here, tie again, and then it can go in the trash. Let's see if I can find my gloves. Where are my gloves? Let's see one. See the top to my spray. here are my gloves. I think the cleaner must be. I cannot find any Ajax. I thought I had Ajax. None is in the. There it is, right there in front of my face. Here it is. I'll tell you. Getting old, you guys. Getting old. I have eczema, really dry skin, if you can look. In my younger days, I was in the Navy. I used to clean airplanes. I was a plane crafter and did a lot of stuff, so I got rough skin. Oh, check out that dance move, y'all. Y'all didn't see that? Bam, bam. Okay, so this is an electric stove. Let's gotta do a better view or you'll never be able to see what I'm doing. We'll use the cans like this. Let's see if we can. If you can see the stove, just a little too. Take off one of these. That way you can see me cleaning. Let's see if you can see. Still too high. One more. Perfect. And turn it a little bit so you can see the stove. Well, these are gonna come out. So, and I bumped my head. So that's what's happening. Oh, that's gross. I don't know what ways. You know what? What did I make? Spaghetti. Maybe the sauce. What I'm thinking is it's like the sauce dripped when I made the spaghetti. And I just didn't catch it. You know, sometimes when you putting the sauce and taking the stuff out of the pan, what happens is little stuff drop, but you don't know until after, because it's black. So I don't know. Really clean. I don't really have to clean that often because this whole stove situation is too much for me. It's really hard to cook. It's so small. And besides it being so small, there's no counter space. No type of counter space at all. And so it's been down there forever because I only use this for the stove. And then I'm just sort these, and hopefully I had bought some when I first moved in because I thought those was a little gross, but the ones I bought didn't fit properly. And this is a small stove, so you probably gotta order them. I don't know. It's just, I miss my old stove. I love the apartment, but this little stove is just, especially with Thanksgiving coming, I would've. It would take me all day, all night just to cook a small meal, and I'm not doing it. Because a year ago, at Christmas time, was when I got sick. I cooked, everybody was here, everybody ate, everybody was happy. And every time I got up, it felt like I was gonna fall down. I was like, I really need to rest. I was thinking I just need a nap. I checked my blood glucose, it was good, because I'm diabetic. The next thing I know, I was on the floor. But before I hit the floor, I bust my head wide open. I know now that my hemoglobin had dropped dangerously low, and I passed out. But I was just trying to get that dinner done. I'm just tired of all that. I ain't doing that no more. You have to push yourself to a certain extent. But when it's a health issue, I didn't know it was a health issue. I kept thinking, oh man, I feel lightheaded, but I just ate. So why is my head spinning around? Never thought about the hemoglobin. Never thought about the hemoglobin. And that's exactly what it was. This one comes with a little thing that holds it up. But the last time I used it, it fell on me, so I ain't using it. Okay. Yep, some waste down in here too. Yeah, so anyway, the last time this joker went bloop bloop. Right on my arm. Not today. I'm not sure what waste on this though. But it should not be this dirty. For the bottom. Yeah, I'm running the water to let them soak, and then I'll be back. It's just damn gross. Just ridiculous. Anyway. That's as clean as this joker's gonna get. I scraped. I did a little bit of everything, but I'll show you how it looks. Ooh. As you can see, that's the inside, and that's as clean as that joker gonna get. That one is clean too. That one back there was the hardest part. I scrubbed as much as I could. So now my shoulder hurts, so as clean as it's gonna get. And I'm gonna put this stuff back on it. And These are clean. These are completely clean. Including these as well. These are all clean. I'm just going to dry them and put the stove back together. But that's it. It took a little longer than I thought. I was thinking maybe 5 minutes. It took me more like 20, 30 minutes to get it clean, but it's completely clean. All you need is Ajax and some gloves. That's it. That's all you need, and you can clean your stove. And I have been cleaning it. I'm pretty sure that my spaghetti sauce must have wasted. That's the only thing I could think of. So that's it. We have a clean stove. It took me about 20-30 minutes to do it, but yours probably will take 5. I don't cook that often, and I wipe and clean as I go, but I'm not sure exactly what happened with that. But anyway, I think something might have wasted down there, because when I don't use the stove, I always set stuff in it. So anyway, I thank you for stopping by today. If you're new here, please take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would very much appreciate it if you would. And also, remember to be kind to people today and anybody that you come in contact with. So let's get this day started by breathing in and breathe out. You ready? Let's adjust this so that we can do our breathe in and breathe out. I think it'll stay. Okay. Let's breathe in and breathe out and get this day started. You ready? All right. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a great day because you can make it that way. It's just the way you start your day, your attitude, your peace of mind. You can't let anybody come in and spew their negativity on you and their toxicity and try to make you negative when you got a smile on your face and the joy of the Lord in your heart. Nobody can steal your joy, okay? So have a good day. Have a great day. And know that God loves you. And so do I. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.